Markets around the world are moving up on news that U.S. forces have taken down Osama bin Laden. The U.S. dollar immediately began to strengthen. Many analysts are convinced the killing of the al-Qaeda leader will increase confidence in the U.S. economy. Now, while the dollar is higher, the Japanese yen is lower, and that's a good sign for a country that relies on exports. In Tokyo, the Nikkei passed the 10,000 mark for the first time since March's earthquake and tsunami. Australian markets also jumped on the news. They had been at 5-year lows. In European markets, they managed to carve out gains as well. Oil prices, which had been rallying for months, were down more than 1% following news of bin Laden's death. But analysts warn oil could be volatile. Investors still aren't sure how people in the Middle East will react. They're concerned bin Laden's death could cause more unrest in the region. Gold and silver prices are also reacting. At one point in early trade, silver prices took an 11% dive, but that was well before news of bin Laden's death was announced. Much of this is a knee-jerk reaction, of course, and while we may get a nice pop today, investors are soon going to refocus on the economy and the very important jobs report that we'll be getting a little later this week. From the floor of the NASDAQ, I'm Carter Evans for CNN Money.